In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to make your profile private on Threads, the new Instagram app. Whether you've just joined Threads or are looking to enhance your privacy, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening the Threads app on your device. You'll find it on your home screen or app drawer. In the bottom right corner of the screen, locate and tap the Profile button. It resembles a user icon and will lead you to your profile settings. The first key step is to review your current followers. Here's how. Tap on the count of your followers. You might see one follower or more, depending on your current status. A list of your followers will appear. If there are accounts you'd like to remove from your followers list, tap the Remove button next to their name. Remember, once you make your profile private, removed followers won't have access to your content. Carefully go through your follower list and decide if any accounts should be removed. Once you've completed this step, move on to the next one. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll find a small globe icon. This is where you can set your profile to private. Tap the globe icon to access the privacy settings. You'll see the private profile option. Toggle it on. A message will appear, informing you that switching to a private profile means only approved followers can see and engage with your content. To proceed, tap the OK button to confirm your decision. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your Threads account from public to private, enhancing your privacy and giving you control over who can access your content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Your privacy is important, and this tutorial is here to help you navigate through the process seamlessly. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon